question is, with old houses, there are often a lot of safety concerns with regards to a house, and that would apply to aluminum wiring, lead-based paint, and people often ask about radon in our area. And what do you do with regards to an older house with those issues? Lead-based paint, you can always have it tested. Radon, we don't generally have the amount of radon and uranium breaking down in rocks that they do in the Midwest and other regions. So generally, we don't test for radon in this area. We just don't have those elevated levels like other parts of the United States. With respect to mold, in the state of Texas, you have to be a licensed mold inspector to identify mold and to remediate mold and to address mold issues. So if a buyer is concerned about mold, they have to go to another inspector and hire them to do their analysis, and they're going to do mold spore tests and mold spore counts. With regards to other issues like termites, the general idea is if you don't have termites now, you're going to get termites at some point, because termites are everywhere here in the state of Texas. The concerns with regards to houses and termites, from my opinion, are conducive conditions, previous infestations, and active infestations. And what does that mean? Basically, we want to make our house so that it does not have or cannot have termites from the construction point of view, how a house is built. If a house has had termites, it doesn't mean it's falling down. It means that there was probably some damage. In some cases, damage needs to be dealt with, and in other cases, the damage is really light and can be unaddressed. Active termites, what does that mean? If you have termites on a house that you're going to potentially buy, it doesn't mean that you necessarily need to shy away from that purchase. Termites are pretty easy to handle as long as they have not gone undetected for a long amount of time and caused extensive damage. Generally, you can treat a house, and a treatment can often last for 10 years. So if a house has had termites or has termites, treating a house, fully treating a house with a pest control company, can eliminate termites as a problem on a house.